Welcome to how to record computer screen with phone. Unlike software installed on the computer that can only record the screen when completing the operating system boot, this method can record the booting screen, operating system installation or in UEFI BIOS. Phone as a second screen of the computer. To do that, you need a device called HDMI Video Capture. It has an HDMI interface and a USB interface. Add a converter from Type-C to USB. Connect HDMI Video Capture and Converter. Connect to the computer using HDMI cable. Connect to the computer via Type-C port. On the phone, you install an application called NX Camera, and you follow the steps below to record the computer screen. Connect the computer and phone together. Open NX Camera to handle USB video. Switch to screen recording mode. Start recording the screen. Thank you for watching.